Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here is another video in the series One Palette Per Year featuring the Soft Glam palette. In this video I am inspired by the fall season and I want to show you how to create this chocolate caramel makeup look. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start by taking my hair out of my face and tying it up. And then for the makeup, we always put primer or concealer. I'm putting the L'Oreal concealer in the shade Peach. And then I am pressing it down with my fingers so it doesn't crease. Then I am setting my concealer with a base shade and I'm using the shade Tempura from Soft Glam. For my transition shade or my mid-tone, I am going in with the shade Dusty Rose and I'm keeping my application light and I'm keeping the color at the socket of my eye. So the bone where the hood is. And I'm extending it from the inner corner to the outer corner, outward and up. Then I'm going in with my contour shade. This time I'm applying my contour shade in the inner corner and the outer corner of my lid, and then I'm connecting the two corners together, which creates the halo effect. And I'm using the shade Sienna for my contour shade. Are you enjoying this video so far? Don't forget to press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Then I am building the contour shade at the outer corner and I'm using the shade Noir. And I'm taking this shade at an angle and then inward towards the crease. So towards the initial contour shade, which is Sienna. Don't forget to take your time with this and blend. And then inside the halo, I'm going to apply the shade Rustic. This will give the base of this caramel look. I'm then reapplying our transition shade, which is the color Dusty Rose. And I am blending it with my fade shade, and this time I'm using my bronzer. Now here is where I put my foundation and concealer, and then I move on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade Sienna, and then at the outer corner, I'm applying the shade Noir and connecting it with the shadows at the top lid. Then I'm grabbing my transition shade, Dusty Rose, and blending all the colors together. I am reapplying Rustic, just in case I lost some of this color. And then on top of Rustic, I am applying the color Glistening. This enhances the caramel shade in the middle. Then I am applying the highbrow pencil to highlight the arch of my brow. I'm blending the colors together again, then I curl my lashes and I apply mascara. I just wiggle my lashes at the bottom and then curl them upwards. And that is pretty much it for the eyes. I did the rest of my face and that is the look complete. I really hope you enjoyed it. Pair this look with a brown or nude lip color and this will be a perfect look for the fall time, especially for Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and I will see you in the next one. May you have a clutter-free life.